Thank you for purchasing the MSpa. Over the following few minutes, we will show you how to set up and maintain your bubble spa. This video is designed for the rigid wall frame spa and only for your reference. It does not substitute for the owner's manual. Please read your owner's manual carefully before you set up the spa. Before setting up, you should choose a flat surface free of sharp objects and debris and is capable of supporting the weight of the spa, the water, and the users. For example, a patio is an ideal location to set up your spa. Remove all spa components from the box and spread them out on the floor in front of you. Refer to the enclosed parts checklist to identify all spa components. Before proceeding any further, please find the joint panel and be sure that it is where you wish to locate your control box. Slide corner beams onto each side of the joint panel. Then continue attaching skirts and corner beams until 8 sides of the spa are in place. Slide the skirt into the 8th side of the spa so that it rests on the corner beams. Please double check and ensure that 8 sides of the spa are in place. Place comfort rails around the top of the spa skirts. Place the temperature barrier mat inside the spa. Place the liner inside the spa. Stretch the colored portion of the liner over the comfort rails and snap onto the metal snaps on the corner beams. Once all 8 snaps have been fixed, you may have to readjust the comfort rails so they sit squarely on top of the skirt. Do this by undoing each snap, repositioning the foam, and redoing each snap, one at a time. Connect the control box fittings to the pipes protruding from the liner. Be sure that the rubber gaskets are in place on the control box fittings. Hand tighten only, holding each pipe steady and twisting only the fittings. Fit the foam connection pieces between the spa and control box until it holds firm. Wrap the foam connection piece with the PU leather strip. Install the smart control panel to the spa. Twist the control panel onto the spa. Fasten the ring to the pipe adapter. Connect the pin plugs. Make sure that plugs are properly matched together, then twist the cap. Plug in and you will see a yellow light on the control panel. Do not bend the pins inside the male connector, which may cause failure of the control panel. There are 3 incorrect connections which may cause the following malfunctions. Number 1. Turn signal lines 90 degrees clockwise. Circuit will be lost and the bubbles will stop. Number 2. Turn the signal lines 90 degrees counterclockwise. Bubbles will start automatically. And number 3, a 180 degree difference between the male and female connection, and there will be no display on the control panel. If your MSpa comes with an RCD, PRCD, or GFCI plug, please watch the diagram flow for plug use. It is important that you must test the plug to ensure the safety features are functioning properly. To prevent the risk of electric shock, the plug must be tested every time when plugged in. If your MSpa comes with a GS standard and excludes a plug, please contact an electrician for installation. Fill the spa with water from your garden hose to approximately 1 inch. Push the bottom edges of the liner tight to the skirt to remove any wrinkles in the liner. Continue filling until it reaches the area between the two water lines printed inside the spa wall. Please avoid water spillage, which may cause damage to the electrical parts. Place spa cover on the spa. Screw safety clasps directly into corner beams, using locking straps to locate safety clasp position. Lock up spa cover after each use. Press the temperature button for a few seconds. When the LED starts to flash, set your desired temperature by pressing the temperature button up or down. After setting the temperature, it will display the current water temperature. Press the heater to activate the heating system. The filter system will be activated automatically and remain active as long as the heat is on. To avoid a broken buckle and the spa skirt being misshaped due to warm weather or sunshine, leave the MSpa fully filled with water. It is a good idea to buy a spa total cover at your MSpa dealer or their web shop. This will help protect your pool from harmful UV rays. The spa should only be set up and left outside in temperatures below 38 degrees when the water temperature inside the spa is above 38 degrees. The spa may be used properly in temperatures as low as 10 degrees. However, it must be made sure that there is no frozen water remaining in any of the spa's internal parts. It is helpful to use a temperature barrier mat between the spa and ground, or similar mat which is thick enough and made of a foam material or some other material with a temperature barrier purpose. Press the bubble button to start and join the bubble massage. After 20 to 30 minutes of continuous bubbles, the bubble function will stop automatically for 10 minutes. You may then press the bubble button for another 20 to 30 minute cycle after the 10-minute break. Please note, when the power pack does not work properly, there will be a corresponding error code displayed on the control panel. Error code HEF in the display means heater failure. Error code BBF in the display means bubble failure. Error code FEF in the display means filter failure. If the control panel loses all power, please consult the user manual for troubleshooting help. Maintenance and storage. To maintain spa water, please use a filter cartridge. Twist the filter onto the water inlet on the spa by turning it clockwise. Press the filter button to activate the filtration system. It will help keep the water inside the spa clean. It is very easy to clean the filter cartridge. Unscrew the cartridge by turning it counterclockwise. The filter cartridge can be rinsed off with a garden hose and reused. We recommend doing that after continuous use of 72 to 120 hours. However, if the filter cartridge remains soiled and discolored, the cartridge should be replaced. We recommend replacing the cartridge at least once a month depending upon use. Please make sure to unplug the power before cleaning or replacing the filter cartridge. Also note the importance of water treatment. It is the responsibility of the owner to properly maintain the chemical balance and purity of the water. MSpa is not responsible for any damages that result from improperly maintained water. Improper water maintenance may result in voiding the warranty. Please use a test strip to test your water chemistry before each use of the spa, and no less than once per week. Too low a pH level will result in excessive wrinkles and damage to the spa pool, as well as corrosion in the motor unit. Too high a pH level will result in scale formation, which could result in sheets of white coagulation inside the filter pump, causing it to block and ultimately break the filter pump. Note: 1. You must not use chemicals you have in your house or any leftovers from an outdoor inflated pool or swimming pool. 2. Do not use chlorine tablets. Instead, use chlorine powder and dissolve first in a bottle. 3. Do not mix the water with bath oil or soap, otherwise the pool can be damaged. 4. Use only clean fresh water. Do not use salt water that will damage the pump. If you have any questions regarding chemicals, please contact your local spa professional. To drain your spa, please turn off all power to the control panel. Unscrew the valve on the outside of the spa until it is attached from the drainage structure. Connect the drainage hose onto the drainage structure. Make sure it is well connected and the other end of the drainage hose is connected to a ground drain. Pull and open the cover of the drainage structure inside of the spa pool. Water will flow out from the drainage hose. Tilt the spa gently to complete drainage. At the end of the season, it is important to dry your spa completely before storing. After draining, please operate the bubble function for 20 minutes to dry the bottom ring. Take off the control panel from the spa. Disassemble the filter pump from the bottom of the control box. Drain the water from it. Reassemble the filter pump. Fold your spa by pulling the center in and then wrap the rest of the spa towards the center. Put everything back into the package until next use. Store safely in a dry and warm condition out of sunlight. This video is designed for assembly reference of the following MSpa models: B160 Tuscany, octagon shape with a seating capacity of 4 to 5 people; B170 Tuscany Grande, octagon shape with a seating capacity of 5 to 6 people. If you have any questions about this product, please visit our website or call the local service center for help. Thank you for watching this DVD.